Good morning, students. In yesterday's class, I discussed the meaning of sole proprietorship business, and then I discussed three features of sole proprietorship business beta. I hope you know the meaning of sole proprietorship business, a business which is run, owned, and controlled by a single person. Those types of business are called sole proprietorship business. And in today's class, I am going to discuss 6 more features of sole proprietorship business. If you know the meaning of sole proprietorship business, beta, easily you can explain its features. Like today's class, I am going to discuss the first feature, unlimited liability. Whose liability here I am talking about? I am talking about the liabilities of the sole proprietor. That means the owner of that sole proprietorship business. And here the owner is how many? One. When the owner is one, whatever responsibilities, whatever liabilities come, that liabilities has to be fulfilled by the owner himself. That is why it is said his liabilities is unlimited, because he doesn't have any limitation about his liabilities. Everything of the business, if there is any difficulties, if there is any problem, if there are any losses, he is the one who is only answerable for each and everything. That is why his liabilities is unlimited. Second, no profit sharing. Definitely. Because he is the only one owner. He only contributed the money. He only managed everything. That is why whatever profit the sole proprietorship business earn, that profit is not shared with anyone else. The full profit is gone to the pocket of the sole proprietor. That is why they said no profit sharing. Next, quick decision. That means, why quick decision? Because the sole proprietors are the all and sole, head and everything of a business. So whenever he is going to take any decision, he is not going to discuss with anyone else. The decision is being taken by the owner himself. Now when the owner is taking the decision, when he is not discussed with anyone else, that is why his decisions are very quick. Another business, you may have to wait for all the members to come. You have to sit with all the members, then only you are supposed to take the decision. Here the decision is being taken by the single person. When the single person is taking the decision, he is not waiting for anyone else. That is why in his case or in sole proprietorship business, the decisions are always taking fast and quick. Next, secrecy of affairs. मतलब क्या है, तुम्हारा जो बिजनेस है बेटा सोल प्रोप्राइटर, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू शो द बुक्स एंड अकाउंट्स टू एनीवन. कितना प्रॉफिट हुआ, कितना लॉस हुआ, कहाँ से कितना तुम कमाए, कहाँ से कितना पैसा तुम्हारे बिजनेस में आए, यू आर नॉट सपोज टू शो इट टू द पब्लिक. ऑलराइट, दैट इज व्हाई सीक्रेसी ऑफ अफेयर्स. कितना इनकम किया, कितना कहाँ से आया, किससे कितना तुम उधारी लिया, क्या किया, what you are going to do next year, whatever decision you are taking it, this decision are not been published. Nobody is knowing except the owner, because owner himself is taking all the decision. Okay, beta? So the books of accounts, the profit or the losses, what is the condition of the business, nothing is known to anyone else. That is why they said secrecy of affairs. Other business, what happened? You may have discussed with the members. Almost all the members are going to know about the condition of the business or not. But in place of the sole proprietorship, nobody is knowing except the owner, because owner is bearing the losses, as well as the profit what is coming to him only. Next, flexibility of operations. Understand the flexibility means? Here beta, the rules, regulation of the business, how to do, when to work, when to close, when to start, when to close down, what to do, everything is depend upon the owner. Because owner is not liable to anyone else. His business, his contributions, his money, so it is his operation is flexible. कैसे वो करेगा, कब बंद करेगा, कब बिजनेस को खुलेगा, किसको बिजनेस का सामान देगा, किसको नहीं देगा, everything is depend upon him. Because there will be no interference from anyone else. That is why I call flexibility of the operation. Operation is flexible. At last, independent control. All of you are knowing why independent? Because when I contribute the money to run my own business, definitely I am not going to see anyone's interference to my business. So my control, independent control, हम कैसे कंट्रोल, किसको कितना तनख्वाह देंगे, किसको क्या सैलरी देंगे, what facilities I am going to give it to my workers and everything is completely depend on me because I am the owner. I only contribute the money, I only contribute the capital to the business. If there is any losses, I am only bearing it. Why should I allow anyone to interfere into my business? So everything is controlled by the owner himself. I hope it is clear to you, beta. So in today's class, I discussed 6 features of sole proprietorship business. The other day I discussed about 3 features. So remember those features. You remember the subheadings. And if you remember the subheading and if you understand the meaning of sole proprietorship business, beta, easily you will be able to explain them. I hope you understood it clearly and the meaning and the explanation is clear to you. Thank you. Thank you so much for today's class.